Hi, boys and girls. Here we are reading another story. This story is called What is Science? We're entering a new theme all about science. If you can see behind me, you can see that we have a poster with a lot of different things that have to do with science. In another video, we will go over all of these science pictures that you see behind me. But this book is going to explain what is science. Let's turn the cover. What is science? What is science? So many things. Here we see a lot of question marks because we're asking a question. What is science? The study of the stars and Saturn's rings is science. So all of these things that you see here, boys and girls, are planets up in space, different planets. By the way, what planet do we live in? Yes, Earth. We live on the planet Earth. And here's a rocket ship with all the little boys and girls inside. They're going up in space. They're discovering the science of space. What is science? The study of rocks and stones, dinosaur fossils, and old chipped bones. So when people go out to the desert or to the forest to discover different rocks or different bones from the dinosaurs, that is called science. What is science? The study of the soil, of oil and gas. Here we go. They're out there in the desert. They're finding out what all that soil is all about. Soil is dirt that we find on the ground. Same thing. Soil and dirt are the same things. What is science? The study of the sea and the sky, of the seed and the grass. So when boys and girls go out to discover different things, you see this little girl, she has a magnifying glass. She wants to discover what these little flowers look like. Science is discovering the ocean or discovering the sky. Why do we have clouds up in the sky? That's all part of science. What is science? The study of the wind and the hurricanes that blow really, really fast. So when we get hurricanes or when the wind is very, very windy, that's all part of the science of what happens to the skies that makes water come down, or what happens to the air that makes the air go really fast, 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 like a hurricane. That's called science. What is science? The study of volcanoes and tornadoes. Here's a volcano. Here's a tornado. the study of the earthquakes and the snow. Here's snow coming down from the sky. And the earthquake is when the earth starts to tremble. It can be very scary. What is science? It is the study of the trees. We have many different trees in the forest. Some are small, some are big. Some trees have different leaves, different color of leaves. All that is called part of science. Here, you can see a little closer. There we go. There goes the trees. And the boys and girls having fun on the branches. But don't do that. Don't climb trees and don't get on the branches. That could be dangerous. You have to be careful. What is science? The study of the butterflies and the honeybees. Why do we have different insects like butterflies and bees and caterpillars and ants, all those worms, all those are called insects. So the science studies all the different insects that we have and why are they different? And why do we have insects? That's all called science. Science is the study of glaciers. These are glaciers, boys and girls. They're like big chunks of ice. And the study of sand. This is sand right here, boys and girls, where the camels live. You can see closer. There we go. Do you see the camel and the glacier? What is science? Science is the study of the big, mighty mountains and the rolling hills. Okay, so the mountains are bigger and taller than the hills. The hills are a little smaller. Okay? And here are these children riding their bicycle on different hills. What is science? The study of the power of the trains, of the planes that soar up in the sky. Science is this and so much more. What makes the train move? What makes the airplane fly? All that is part of science. So into the earth and into the sky, we question the how, the where, the when, and the why. We question, we wonder, we hunt and explore the secrets of caves, the dark ocean floor. We wonder about the oldest of the rivers and the tombs of the kings in Egypt, where you see all the pyramids. What is science, boys and girls? Science is so many different things on this planet Earth that we live on. The end. Did you like the story, boys and girls? Yes, it was fun. We went to a lot of different places. right? We learned about hurricanes and tornadoes, about the sand, about the ocean. We learned about the mountains and the hills. We learned about the different trees. We learned about the different tornadoes and earthquakes and volcanoes. We learned about the wind. And we learned about what happens on the planet that we live on called Earth. Did you like this book, boys and girls? What is science? I'm so glad that you liked it. I'm so glad that you enjoyed the book. We will meet again and learn about something else during this week that we're studying. Who are we studying? We are studying Miss U. She loves to carry her umbrella. Say bye, Miss U. Bye. Bye. See you next time. Bye, boys and girls.